Hey y'all, just got my new Louis Vuitton in. It's the Neverfull MM in the Damier Azure. And I have got some apple spray, which is a water treater that you want to use to put on the vachetta leather to keep the vachetta leather from staining and patina in a bad way. You want it to happen slowly and over time and in a good way. So I'm going to use this apple spray on it because I am terrified of vachetta leather, and I found that this apple spray is God's gift to women. Thank you. Let me grab that apple spray and we'll get going. I'm not done hair and makeup, and so you'll have to forgive all that and everything, but it's about the bag. It's about the bag. Which she is lovely, by the way. She is beautiful. I mean, just gorgeous. Look at that. That's perfection. Perfection. Gorgeous. Ballerina pink inside. Beautiful flat. Spacious. Easy zip. Baby honey boo boo. She fits perfect in the bottom of the bag. We can change the bag this way. Make her small and chic. We can open her up and fill it up like life is a highway. Okay. Um, yeah, let's see. A lot of people are picky about, oh, and it also has these little D-rings on the end if you want to put a strap on there and carry it crossbody. You can do that too. But, so here we go. A lot of people are picky about the apple spray getting on the canvas. I'm not. You do have to be careful wearing this kind of canvas, the Demi Azure, that you don't wear clothes that the ink on the clothes dye can transfer. You can wrap the handles, which is really popular to do with the Bandios. I do have some of those for sale on my eBay store or some AmazingThings.com. Or you can go online to Louis Vuitton and catch them there. Shake the can up really well. Give a nice even coat. Don't be afraid of it. I am walking off the additional because I'm not sure how that would draw on there. I don't let it draw on there to find out. I feel like that might be an unwanted headache. It may not make a difference at all. I'm gonna get those handles. Just another quick spray down. I hear that you use baby wipes. Let me show you what I'm inside here. I hear that you use baby wipes to wipe the inside of your Louis out. Um, I've not done anything inside my Louis I have to wipe out. And I am cautious about what I put in Louis. And keep in mind, even though I'm enjoying the bag, that it is an investment piece. Respect the bag, people. If you respect the bag, regardless of the brand, and take care of what you have, then it'll last for a long, long time. Chose this particular color because I'm a match freak, and I have bleach blonde hair with this color seem, seems to look fantastic with. So that is why I went with this color scheme. Not to mention that I already had to carry it in the monogram canvas.